Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss instance of operator in Java. Instance of operator is used to test whether the object is instance of the specified type. If the object is instance of the specified type, then it will return the true value, otherwise it will return the false. Let's understand with the practical demonstration. Here I am using the Eclipse as ID and then click on the file, new, and take a Java project. Dialog box will display it and simply need to write your project name, and I'm giving my project name as instance of and then demo, and click on the next and finish. My project is displayed under Package Explorer, and simply explore my project and then right click on the SRC. Pop-up menu will display and click on the new and take a class. Here we need to write my class name, and simply I'm giving my class name as a class 1, and check the public static void main method stub, and then click on the finish. The class 1 is successfully created here with the main method, and again right click on the SRC, click on the new and take a class, simply giving my class name as a A, and I don't have need to check the public static void main method because I have already taken the main method in the class 1, so I left it and then click on the finish. Come inside the class 1, and I am going to create a method show, and press enter. Okay, and within the show method, I'm simply write here system dot out dot println, and within the double quote I'm simply passing the message. This is show method of class 1, A class. Okay, and save it. Again right click on the SRC, new, and take a class, and I'm simply giving my class name as a B, and we don't have need to check the public static void main method because I have already taken in the class 1, so I left it and then click on the finish. B class is successfully created here, and then extend the E class into the B class, and I'm going to create a method public void disk, and passing here the message system.out.println, and messages this is disk method of class B, and save it. Okay, all the properties and behaviors come from the A into the B, and you well know the concept of the inheritance. So I click on the class 1 and come inside the class 1. Okay, within the main method I am going to create the object of the A class as a obj1 new, and A, and B obj2 equal new B. I am simply creating the object of the A class as a obj1 and B class as a obj2, and then I'm going to giving here the condition if obj1 instance of A class, then I'm simply giving a message system.out.println. This is the instance of A class, and calling here the method show. Okay, and within the else I'm simply copy this and paste here, change the message. This is not instance of a class, and again giving a condition if obj2 is instance of B class, then just copy it and paste here. Okay, and simply write here B class and calling here the method disp, and within the else part paste here and passing here message. This is not instance of the A class. Okay, look here, we have to create the object of the A class and B class, and with the help of instance of operator we have to check the instance of the A class obj. If obj is the instance of the A class, then condition is true, means it will return the true, and then this part of the code will be execute. This is the instance of A class, and so method will call here, and otherwise the control come inside the else part and simply giving here the message this is not the instance of A class. And here and we have check obj to instance of the B class. If the condition is true, then this part of the code will be execute, otherwise come inside the else part, and this code, this is not instance of B class. Print onto the screen. Okay, and right click on the instance of demo project and then run as Java application. Okay, console will print the output here. Look here, this is the instance of A class because the condition is true. This is so method of A class. This is the instance of B class, and this is the disp of this method of the class B. Basically, in the industry level, the instance of operator is used to check the, suppose that if you are testing the mobile applications, on that case you will check the instance of the Android or iOS. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.